especially in classics. One for the Buick fans. You gotta love these. 1966 Buick Riviera. Sport Coupe or two-door hardtop. Numbers matching 425 V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 400. Very nicely equipped car, and I'll get into some of that as we do this walk around. But first off, power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's take a look at the chrome grille, of course, the hideaway headlights. And at the end of the video, we're going to start it up, check out that engine bay, we'll check out those headlights. But first, I want to let you know where to check out all the still pictures. So you can see the underside, interior, trunk, engine bay. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're seeing this video on YouTube, click on the link down below in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct rally-style Buick wheels, white wall radials. Paint code on this car, S. Actually SS, so same color top to bottom. Riviera Champagne. Interior 618 trim, black vinyl. Bench seat. Let's take a look down the passenger side of this car. You can see the paint shows well on it. Of course, the black vinyl interior. Also a nice shape. Very stock looking interior. And we'll get around to the driver's side. Check that out a little closer. Like I said, start it up, let you hear it run. You can see how nice and straight all these body panels are. Original rear defrost car. Remote outside mirror over there in the driver's side. Power windows. We'll take a peek in the glove box. I believe it should have a power trunk release also. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Get a good look at the rear chrome, also in nice shape. And remember, we have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. Maybe you can't make it to see this car in person due to time or distance, not a problem. Want somebody to take a look at it for you. Third-party inspectors are welcome. We try to represent them as fairly as we can, of course, with all the pictures that are taken, the walk-around video like this. And if you stick around to the very end, we're going to take this car for a drive. Take it down the road, put a camera in it, see how it drives out, kind of give you a virtual ride, if you will. And again, you can see driver's side paint also shows well, has a nice shine to it. Fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. This will definitely turn some heads. All right, door panels also looking in good shape. This is always cool. Door handle, release it from the rear seat. And of course, the front seat. Speaking of seats, power bench seat. There's your power windows, your remote mirror. Rear defrost switch, be right down here on the side. How cool is that? Tilt column. The Buicks were loaded up then. All right, one for the Buick experts out there. What did they call this style of speedometer? You gotta love that. That will actually roll as your speed changes. Power antenna. Looks like we still have the factory stereo. Let's see if we can pop this glove box open one-handed here. Oh, looks like there's a trunk remote. Would have been an option. Let's leave that open. Maybe pop the trunk, see if that works, and check it out. All right, let's play around a little bit here. Fired up. Oil pressure came up. Know how accurate that gauge is. It's on the high side. Temp was a cold start. What else do we have here? Amp meter, fuel gauge. I did have the radio working, so let's click this on. So that does work. Let's check this antenna. Doesn't appear the power antenna works, just so you know. Make you aware of that. Don't think the trunk. Pause just to give you some ideas. We have still pictures in the trunk. I open it with the key, not a problem. Top of the dash, looking good. I like the way the car sounds. Again, radio working though. Headliner. It's kind of a shadow on it, so the light's shining in here, reflecting, by the way. Seats, free of rips, tears, holes. Take a look at the rear one. Looks good. Now, of course, in the front one, you would have the armrest, just so you're aware of that. Flip it down. Door closes nicely. Slip around to the back. Nothing crazy as far as the exhaust goes, nothing over the top, loud. Just nice sounding. The V8 underneath the hood. What, 425, numbers matching. I'm going to pause this a second. Let's check out that engine bay, and while we're doing that, we'll check out these headlight doors. Let's do that right now, so you can see it with the hood down. All right. See the headlights show up. There they are. Actually flip down from underneath the hood. Just go the other way with them while I have it running here. They need some. I remember if these were electric or vacuum. I'm going to rev it up just a little bit. I want to make sure those headlights make them go both ways. So pulling them out, turn them on, pushing in, bring them back up into the hood. No hood release on the inside. All right. There you go. See them back in. Let me go ahead and pause this a second. It's a big hood. It's going to take me 2 hands. Let's get that open. Check out that engine bay. All right, start underneath the hood here. Nice and clean and tidy. Hood liner up there. There you can see where the lights come from and go back to. Here it is. Numbers matching. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Looks like it does have a newer brake cylinder, master cylinder back here. Battery disconnect when it's in storage or in between drives. Stock looking engine bay. Does appear to have a newer alternator on it. And again, stick around to the very end of this video. We're going to take it for a drive. Sorry you didn't look at the trunk. Take a look in the still pictures. Good looking trunk area also. This will be a fun one, folks. 1966 Buick Riviera, 2-door hardtop or sport coupe. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1966 Buick Riviera. Strong running Buick. These cars have a lot of power. Nice black vinyl bench seat in this car. Automatic on the column, so it is easy to drive. Our turn signals are working. Our gauges are working. Awesome speedometer. That speedometer rolls like the Price is Right wheel. Very cool looking. And functional. functioning speedometer. Our fuel gauge is reading about 1/8 of a tank. The battery is charging a little above half. Temperature is about almost 1/4 of the way up from cold, and oil pressure is 3/4 of the way up, which that all looks good. Factory looking radio.
We doubled to an astonishing 20.
It's picking up FM right now. Nice smooth ride from this Buick. This Riviera is a 2-door. A little more sporty, yet still with class, as Buick would say. Fast with class. Nice looking headliner. Brakes are working well. Of course, power steering and power brakes from Buick. Corners nicely as a 66 Buick should. Nice acceleration again. Does look like the steering wheel is clocked a little bit to the right. That doesn't affect performance. Let go of the wheel, this car stays nice and straight in the lane. Very comfortable, super easy to drive. Classy 1966 Buick Riviera. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about it at uniqueclassiccars.com.